Churchill and Rosie celebrate their marriage anniversary. Gistlover expose Bobrisky nyash for the second time, yo. Hello, my beautiful people. When I welcome back to my channel, when you're new, when I welcome, when they're old, when I super duper welcome. So check below is the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you will be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. All right, so my correct people, them. So today I get a bonge gist for now. First of all, the Churchill birthday, and also Bobrisky do video where they dance. No say nyash don roast finish. Don the side where rose don show upon all the filters. Filter no fit filter the nyama side come out. Hey, all right. So Gistlover don help and zoom and well. My correct people, they wahala deal. Wahala dey seriously na the gist I wan give una. So alright, so more checkmate Churchill birthday. No be small thing, no. This one I love him, thank you. See message where Rosie writes. Why be say Churchill and in wife Rosie anytime when they want write message, it go be like say then they throw shade. Which waiting I been only me they say like that. No only me they say like that, because if I go comment section and they see people they write exactly the things where me I been they think. All right, so more see the message where Churchill be write during their marriage anniversary. There's a reason why they say home is where the heart is. The reason transcends luxury, furnishing, exotic and vintage ambiances. That reason is the positive energy, peace, and comfort that home gives away from all the energies outside. When you are married, that reason is down to who you make home with and everything else you create together. Today, I celebrate the one who makes my home the happiest place for the few years of marital bliss. I just want to keep saying, yes, I do. Love you, Queen Rosie. Happy anniversary. See how sarcastic it was, and people were like, oh, why is this man always wanting to, bring Tonto to write controversial things, to shade Tonto and all that. Now again, see by the message. All right, so married Rosie by the message. She said, dear husband, mere words cannot begin to tell you how I feel. You are the one thing in my life I can count on to be real. If someone asks me the secret of a happy marriage, I would reply that the only secret is finding a husband like you. I admire how brave you are, that you put God first no matter what. You are a decision maker, ready to do what it takes in every situation. Thank you for being so great. Cheers to another year I get to spend loving everything about you. Happy birthday to my husband, my lover, and my best friend. My prayer is that God leads your path to uncountable victories and bless your life forever. I love you. Wahala will come. Well, I no blame them. If they not doing like that, the thing no go trend. Shebi the wife lose her page of about 400 and something thousand followers or so. Since then, he never grow reach where he been there before, even half of where he been there before, because of saying that Tonto DK and all these bad boats. Now me just they bring them up. So if they not doing like that, well, we need to sing song. Stand up for the champion, for the king. Tonto stand up. Tonto DK don't make many people celebrity. Don't make Churchill and Rosie celebrity. You don't make Popo Gray celebrity. You don't make Popo Gray friend. What if you die name? Blessing. Man with the answer name Blessing. I don't trust that man. Man we go fit betray own friend. I don't trust him. Tonto DK be careful. You too dey love. Even that her friend Doris, I don't trust her. Because I know although about risk been talk when him and Tonto they quarrel, say Tonto they always like when she they quarrel with person, may you join her. But me, my friend they quarrel, I go they tell her calm down, like, because if me I dey vex, I know they like person they put me fire for the vex. and the like person go dey tell me say calm down. So because of that, if anybody wey I love, you know, dey quarrel or one, the way I go just dey tell you calm down, take it easy, and you go see say when that person head don, you know, don set, the person go say, ah, thank God, this person was able to calm me down and all that. So now just how the level be with that. So my curriculum, even that Doris, I know, she dey like make gbas dey happen. Many things don't happen wey make me God dey shine my touch. I don't trust this babe. All of them just want dey use Stone to the trend. Now here say she be Nollywood actress too. Nollywood actress don't even plenty past film these days. So just the one they use Stone to the trend. Tonto should be careful. Oh, she made Bobrisky a celebrity. I don't even forget to name Bobrisky. He made Bobrisky a celebrity. Today Bobrisky don't turn against him. Tonto Dike is just a simple person where he no send anybody message. She can be friends with anybody. She no go look say this one or that one. But risky when we say many people they even run to be friends with her because they feel like say, ah, I don't want maybe people come they cast me. I don't want this one. But Tonto Dike enter friendship with everybody, and now many of them now just deal with her just to be famous, just for the clout. Even that girl where leak that voice note, she make talk now say Popo Great talk say that he was just dated Tonto Dike for the fame, nothing else. So when see how he share so. All right, so my correct people, them back to Risky Nyash. But Risky, now wow, I think say this in Nyash now something of history. We just read that for book as something we don't pass. I don't know say na present something, because when I know na say but Risky Nyash will not share for internet here where everybody call it say hey, skin like milk, where they always like to advertise. Now the Nyash we take up off to the Nyash why it can't rot like that, all those kind of level when we say but Risky 7 don't even dey quiet, you know, they talk again before this him and Tonto Dike Monfa Gbogbo resurrect. I think last week we con dey quarrel, they expose themselves and all that. We even Tonto Dike con say that she been even buy the ointment so she dey go rub Bobrisky for in leaking Nyash and all. So my correct people to say Bobrisky say go feel learn sense. If I learn sense because of say him and this Monfa quarrel, ha. If I thought say Monfa they enter in London, you both don't know all these people now just to use you, pleasure themselves. They don't really care about you. To say that people will care about you, Nyash don't they leak. Waiting that they won't go fetch the Nyash, the leaking Nyash. Although him must say, oh, a man like him because of say they very juicy. According to the video, I don't do all those videos here now. No need to come they put. I don't do all those things here. So my correct people, them I just had a level B with that. So this love I come bring up Bobrisky and Zuma more kai. The more they look all the celebrities them back, the less you see. No wonder this lover they call it British. Some people say na cryptocurrency nine that they use. Ah God, hi. It is well. All right, my correct people. At this point, wait I will just tell when I will say, when I thank you for watching. When I continue to stay beautiful. May una bye.